Good morning, everyone. I'm AINNUR AMISSYA, and today I'll be starting our case study presentation on Grab Holdings Limited, focusing on its evolution and the technology that drives its success. So, Grab began its journey in 2012 right here in Malaysia as My Taxi. Since then, it has transformed into Southeast Asia's leading super app, operating across 8 countries, including Singapore, Indonesia, and Thailand, and serving approximately 38 million monthly users. In Malaysia, Grab operates through key entities like My Taxis in Duran Berhad and Grab Cars in Duran Berhad, with its local headquarters based in Petaling Jaya. So the company has successfully integrated itself into our daily life by offering a wide range of services from on-demand rides and food delivery to digital payments via GrabPay. So to manage this massive scale, Grab relies on Amazon Web Services, which is AWS Cloud, as its backbone. So this infrastructure allows them to handle millions of orders daily using advanced databases like Amazon RDS and DynamoDB. Furthermore, Grab uses its Catwalk platform to manage over 1,000 AI models. These models are responsible for everything from personalized restaurant recommendations to real-time fraud detection, ensuring that systems remain efficient and secure. That provides a brief overview of Grab's background and technology. I will now pass the presentation to my teammates to discuss the next section. So thank you.
We will discuss the current technology used by Grab Holdings Limited. Grab operates as a digital super application that integrates multiple services, including transportation, delivery, logistics, and financial service within a single platform. This integrated ecosystem reflects the super app model, which aims to enhance user convenience and engagement through seamless service accessibility. Technologically, Grab's platform is supported by advanced digital technologies such as cloud computing, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data analytics. This technology enables real-time service integration, predictive analysis of user demand, and efficient management of operation across different service categories. In terms of implementation, Grab adopts a cloud-based architecture supported by Amazon Web Services. This cloud infrastructure allows the platform to scale efficiently, maintain system reliability, and process a high volume of transactions on a daily basis. Additionally, machine learning models are utilized for demand forecasting, route optimization, dynamic pricing, and fraud detection, which collectively enhance operational efficiency and service quality. In mobility service, artificial intelligence algorithms are applied to match drivers and users by analyzing traffic conditions, location data, and real-time demand patterns. This approach reduces waiting times and improves service reliability. For delivery and logistics service, including food, groceries, and parcel delivery, cloud-based systems enable a real-time order processing, tracking, and routing optimization. Machine learning models further assist in predicting demand and allocating resources efficiently, resulting in a faster and more reliable delivery services. Grab also provides financial service through GrabPay, which supports secure digital transaction using encrypted payment system and advanced authentication mechanism. In addition, data analytic tools are used for financial risk management and value-add service such as micro-lending. Grab's digital platform also supports merchants by offering digital storefront and advertising tools, enabling data-driven business decisions. Digital literacy was applied by identifying reliable and credible online sources to support the analysis. Academic journals accessed through Science Direct and Google Scholar were prioritized to obtain theoretical perspective on super applications, digital platforms, and technology adoption. Corporate sources such as Grab Holdings Limited Annual Report 2023 and official press release were utilized to gather accurate information regarding Grab's technological infrastructure and strategic initiative. In addition, reputable industry publications and news outlets were consulted to obtain updated insights on Grab's cloud computing strategies and artificial intelligence investment. All sources were evaluated based on credibility, relevance, author expertise, and timelines to ensure academic reliability. Academic database and search engines were utilized to systematically identify relevant journals articles and industry reports. Spreadsheet and data management tools were then applied to organize and compare information related to Grab's technology adoption strategies. Reference management software was used to ensure accurate citation and proper organization of sources throughout the research process. Furthermore, digital content literacy skills were applied by critically analyzing the quality and reliability of the collected materials. Corporate information was cross-verified with independent industry sources to minimize the bias. This critical evaluation ensured that the analysis presented in the study is evidence-based, balanced, and academically rigorous. Ensure that the analysis presented in the study is evidence-based, balanced, and academically rigorous.
For this part, I will be explaining the SWOT analysis of the Grab as a super app in Southern Asia. So starting with the strength, Grab main advantage lie in their integrated super app ecosystem where the service such as ride-hailing, food delivery and digital payment are combined in one platform. This integration improves user convenience, strengthen customer loyalty and reduce customer acquisition costs. Grab's strong investment in cloud infrastructure and AI also supported scalability and efficient operation across the region. In terms of weakness, Grab faced a challenge related to high operation costs and uneven profitability across its different business segments. The company also relies heavily in initiative to retain the user and drive it. In addition, some back-end processes are still manual, which can lead to inefficiency of occasional system issues. So moving on, opportunities. The rapid growth of digital finance service in Southern Asia offer a strong potential for Grab, especially in digital lending and insurance. The expansion AI can also improve the demand of forecasting operation productivity, allowing the Grab to be better monetize its data ecosystem. So lastly, regarding the threat, Grab operate in highly competitive environment with the constant pressure on the pricing and profit margin, regulatory uncertainty and particularly related to driver classification, as well as data security and compliance risks may also impact company a long-term sustainability.
Now, I will cover the issues identified in our study. First, we have technical inefficiency. Since Grab is an all-in-one app, it's very heavy. Users with older or low-spec phones often face performance issues like lagging. Also, before their 2021 upgrade, their search system was quite basic and often give irrelevant results. The second one is the human and social aspects. Drivers often feel algorithmic tension because they feel controlled by a system that isn't transparent. We also see issues with search pricing that users find unfair during peak hours. Lastly, there's a gap between technology and reality. Digital maps sometimes fail to account for informal route changes or messy urban traffic. In these cases, drivers still have to rely on their own local knowledge instead of the app. So while the Grab is a technology leader, they still need to balance their innovation with the real world needs of their users and partners. That's all from me. I'm going to pass the presentation to the next presenter.
Now we move on to the strategic recommendation and solution our group has identified four key technology intervention to ensure Grab future sustainability. First, to overcome hardware limitation in emerging market, we recommended the implementation of mobile edge computing (MEC) by utilizing vehicular offloading. We can shift heavy computational tasks like a 3D mapping from the user mobile device to nearby edge server. This ensures that the super apps remain high performance even for the user with a low-end smartphone. Secondly, to address the algorithm tension, we propose the adoption of explainable AI XAI. By using transparency node, Grab can explain exactly how fair our search or job are located. This would build trust by removing the black box nature from automated decision. Furthermore, we suggest integrating blockchain technology by using decentralized architecture and smart contract like the B-Ride system. We can ensure secure ride matching and tamper-proof payment. maintaining system reliability even during central server failure. Finally, we advocate the digital globalization framework. We must bridge the digital divide by providing specialized skill training for elderly driver partners and localized GPS tagging. This ensures the Grab technological growth remain socio-economically inclusive for everyone. Our personal reflection, we have concluded that a super apps is far more than a digital tool. We view it as a complex socio-technical system that require delicate balance between a business strategy and immense computational power. Through this study, our digital literacy has evolved. We move beyond understanding basics apps function to analyzing high-level concepts like computing offloading, and regular edge computing. We realize that for business to be a global leader, it must embrace digital globalization, ensuring that global efficiency respects local urban realities and infrastructural needs. Furthermore, we learned that operational reliance is only possible through sophisticated algorithms for load balancing. Most importantly, we have come to understand that a future of business technology is rooted ethical responsibility by prioritizing transparent through XAI and security through blockchain. We believe companies can achieve growth that's not only efficient but also fair and trustworthy for all stakeholders.
The final part, I would like to conclude by highlighting a Grab over journey and future direction. Grab evolution from simple taxi hailing application into leading a super app demonstrate how strong technology or capabilities can drive a digital transformation. The use of cloud computing and artificial intelligence has allowed a Grab to scale its service and efficient while improving a real-time operation and user experience. At the same time, the challenge identified through the SWOT analysis show that Grab must continuously adapt to both internal and external pressure to remain competitive and sustainable. Grab needs to focus on improving transparency system efficiently and inclusivity through advanced technologies such as explainable AI and more resilient digital infrastructure. In conclusion, Grab a long-term success will depend on ability balance technology innovation with the local market realities, ensuring the sustainable growth while maintaining trust among user, partner and regulatory.